Hi, folks. You're tuned into Business Today, and this is Markets Today. I'm Sakshi Batra. We discuss everything about the stock market action through the day and the closing action on this show. Well, for the third consecutive session, we've seen the markets end on a lower note. Of course, this holiday shortened week, just for a 3 day session, was complete with the very, very volatile trading sessions, is what we have witnessed right from Monday until today. And today, again, we've seen the Sensex slipping 237 points to end the day on a lower note. In fact, if you talk about the domestic indices erasing their respective initial gains in the choppy trading session today, investors drew a grim picture of the inflation scenario. Yesterday, we got to know that inflation in India, retail inflation especially, has shot up to a 17-month high. Globally, also, inflation has become a major concern, with US inflation rising to 4 decades high as well. And this is exactly the scenario that you've been seeing through the global equities today, of a grim scenario, of a subdued move. And that's what exactly we've seen today. We opened on a higher note, but those gains could not be sustained. Apart from this, we've also seen the Sensex tanking 237 points, or 0.4% lower today, to end the day at 58,339. The Nifty moved 55 points lower to settle at 17,476. So remember, this is the first time in many, many days that we've seen Nifty slipping below the 17,500 points to end the day lower as well. In fact, the Sensex gyrated more than 650 points during the day before settling lower. Back home, the markets will definitely remain closed on Thursday and Friday for the rest of the 2 days in this week, on account of Mahavir Jayanti, Dr. Baba Saheb Ambedkar Jayanti, and Good Friday, respectively, and will open again after a 4 day break on April 18. Mid and small cap shares also finished on a mixed note today, with the mid cap 100 index inching almost 0.03% down, and the small cap index rising by 0.2%. So 9 out of the 15 sector gauges compiled by the National Stock Exchange, in fact, ended in the red, with the banking and financial services really underperforming the index by as much as 0.9% odd. The Nifty Auto also slipped by as much as 0.8% in trade today. On the stock specific front, Maruti was the top Nifty loser, as the stock really cracked 2.28% to close in at 7,445. HDFC Twins also, both the HDFC Limited and HDFC Bank stock, Dr. Reddy's and Tata Motors were among the other laggards in today's trading session. The overall market breadth, however, stood positive, as 1852 shares advanced, whereas 1547 shares declined on the BSC. Of course, in contrast, we've seen some of the stocks like ITC, Sun Pharma, Hindustan Unilever, SBI, NTPC, L&T, also Infosys settling in the green right ahead of its earnings as well. But overall speaking, very, very volatile trading session. But as we move forward, the next week will give us some more earnings to react on as far as markets are concerned. And with that, I wrap up this edition. But do stay tuned on to Business Today, for a whole lot more is coming up. Everything, all the buzz from the business world. Thanks a lot for tuning in. For now.